That's all only we know.
Former Meghalaya COP and BJP spokesperson M. Kharkrang demanded an investigation into the exorbitant expenditure of COVID fund. Kharkrang said that this should not be mere agenda and there should be an investigation as how come a state like Meghalaya with small population incurred a huge expenditure of more than 800 crores, whereas states like Assam and Manipur, which had more cases than Meghalaya, incurred a total expenditure of mere 200 to 250 crores for tackling COVID.
Has been arrived at and where have they spent this amount? And I just hope, the thing is, this has to be investigated into. This has to be, this cannot be just be an election agenda. This has to go beyond that. Because 813 crores for a state like Meghalaya, when all other states like Assam and all are spending 250 crores, Manipur spending 77 crores, Meghalaya with 35 lakhs or so population spending 830 crores is astounding, and I really don't have any more words to say. And if this is not a scam, then I don't know what this is.